You have a distribution of scores where the mean equals to 100. You then add one more score and recalculate the mean as 92. The score you added must have been what? Well, let's have a look at what's happened here. Our mean has decreased in value. The mean has gone down. Now, that might seem strange initially. How can the mean go down when we add a score? Well, keep in mind, we're not looking at the new total. We're looking at the new average. Think about this kind of an example. Let's say we have somebody who's 10 and somebody who's 20. Somebody who's 10 years old, somebody who's 20 years old. The average of the two ages, the average is going to be 10 plus 20, so 30 over 2. It's going to be 15. But what if I add another 10-year-old to the group? Now I'm going to have 10 plus 10 plus 20. So of course I'm going to have a larger total. My total on the top is going to be 40. But now I'm dividing by 3. And I didn't really add very much. I only added somebody with an age of 10. So 40 divided by 3 is how much? I think that is 13.33, and so on. So my mean, which was 15, has now dropped when I add a new score. How did that happen? Well, what kind of a score did I add? I added a 10. How does that compare to the original average? If the average was 15 and I add something below the average, that's going to bring the average down. Same thing's going to happen here. The score we added must have been lower than 100 in order to bring the average down. So the answer here is going to be B, less than 100.